Hello everyone, this is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. Welcome back again. You're welcome back to our channel. If you want him or her to dream and think about you, please do this right now. If you want him or her to be dreaming and be thinking about you every single time, you need to do this right now. This is not a joke, this is not a fluke. This is working 100%. If only you want to do it, if you can do this, it will work for you. You really need to have a total belief in all the spiritual work that I teach on this channel for it to work for you. You need to have a very strong belief and faith. That's the only solution. Anything other than that, no. Okay. Do you want him or her to be dreaming and be thinking about you every single time? Please do this. If you want, do this right now. Alright, before I go right ahead with the video, I want to say a very big thank you to you for always coming back to my channel, for always watching my videos, for always sharing, liking and commenting on my videos. Thank you for always sharing your testimony. They mean so well to me, and I pray that you will have many more testimonies. And if you are yet to have testimony, your testimony is coming. Alright? Just keep doing all the spiritual works. If you are new on my channel, I welcome you to my channel. I make videos for people that want to stop embarrassment, disappointment, and regret. I make videos for people that want to manifest, people that want to stop poverty, people that want to stop spiritual problems and attacks using simple natural ingredients. Alright, if you're new, please subscribe now to this channel. Alright, and turn on all notifications for more videos like this. Alright, let's get the video started. If you want him or her to dream about you and think about you every single day, do this right now. If I tell you that you can actually make somebody dream about you and think about you, you can send them a mental message. You can send them a spiritual message. Alright? And that way, they will become obsessed with you. You know, when somebody is obsessed with you, they can't get their mind off you. They will never get in fact, they will be visualizing it. And they will be longing to be with you. They will be itching to be with you. That's how powerful this spiritual work that I'm about to teach you is. Okay, before you start these things, if you know that this person that you want to send a spiritual message to, if you know that you don't love them, if you know that you just want to use this for a joke, don't do it. And also, if you know that this is against your religion, if it is against your belief, please don't do this. It is for people that actually love this person that they want to send a spiritual message to. If you know that you love this other person, whether it is your girlfriend or boyfriend, if you love them and you really want to spend the rest of your life with them, please do this. Okay? All you need is this. You need the picture of the person. You need 2 red candles. And you need 1 cherry incense. Okay? You know those incense stick that we burn? You have to get 1 cherry incense. All these ingredients that I listed can be found. You can get them, from spiritual stores. Get them from your local herb stores. From those people that sell organic product. You can get them from those white garment churches. Get 1 cherry incense stick, 2 red candles, and the picture of the person that you want to send a mental message to. Okay? So for this spiritual work, you need total concentration. You have to be serious about it. Okay? And you have to do this spiritual work around at exactly 11 p.m. at night. The reason is during this period of time is always quiet. So you don't need any disturbance, you don't need any interruption, you need total concentration because you need to visualize it. Okay? In fact, if you do this right, this person will actually see you in their dream. They will dream and think about you every single time. Okay? So this is how you do it. So grab the person's picture. If you can get hold of their picture, their photograph or the picture or whatever, or you can get their photos or their pictures online, print it out and just put it down on the on the floor or on the table. Then you have to light the 2 candles on it, and you have to light the incense too on it. Make sure that the candles are sitting on the picture and the incense too. You can place the incense on something and let it sit on the picture. So you light it and you let it burn. So while this burns, you have to start saying these words, that the goddess of love, I want you to enter the field right now. This person, I want to send them a mental message that they should dream and think about me every single time. That they should dream and think about me only every single time. They should think about me. They should have good thoughts about me every single day. Whether they are eating, whether they are sleeping, whether they are eating, whatever they are doing, they should be thinking about me. They should be having good memories and good thoughts and good feelings about me. In the mighty name of God. Say this word powerfully. Okay? And if you want to pray, you can do some prayer. And I tell you, if you do this right, they will see you in their dreams. They will dream about you and they will think about you every single day. Okay? So once you're done with this, pack all the things, pictures and everything. You can keep the pictures, alright? Or you can gather the ingredients and the burn down incense and the candle. Take everything together and bury it. Okay? Dig a ground and bury it. Okay? That's how powerful it is. Alright? And this is going to work for you 100% if you have a belief. A strong belief at that. Alright? Once this has worked for you, come back with your testimony. I'll be waiting. It means so well to me. I really want to read your testimony. Alright? For more spiritual videos to help your life, to help you spiritually, to help you solve all the problems, watch these videos over there. Alright? And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. You know that I love you so much. Bye bye.